Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga.
Love doesn't ask why. Hey, speaks from the heart. Ntandise n'akayimbako olw'ensonga nti omukwano tegumanyi ddiini, tegumanyi lulimi, tegumanyi lugendo. Era bwe tuwano ku Delta TV musawa yaffe n'eyokubiri tugenda kuba nga tutuusaako omukwano wakati w'omwana omuwala omulungi ennyo Bikira Maria Musinza Neema gwe bayita Resty Kemigisha ng'agenda n'omwami we Okoth Ivan. Bonna ne bano baland friends bakitegeeza balooya naye ebitabo babitadde ku mabbali olulimi ne baluteeka ku mabbali ne bagamba ffe twagalana. I can't live without you. Era omuwala n'amuweereza akayimba ke bayita kabisi kandagala. Mukwano kansibire nti oli bulungi. Wabula babiri bano omukolo guno gugenda kubeera nga guli wali eri ebunnamwaya ku luguudo lwe bayita Javiira zooni nga gye twalabye nga mutabani wa Honorable ono Okoth Ivan, mutabani wa Honorable Etororo gwe bayita Honorable Richard Okoth Otieno agenda okweyanjula. Mu bannaffe abakiga bakiyita okuyingira era nga bino byonna byabadde mu maka g'omwami n'omukyala niwe byonna mu maka gaabwe. Mukwano tugenda kulaba obwangu wakati w'abajapadola n'abatoolo n'abakiga naye nga njagala okugamba nti omukyala bwe yabadde afuluma nga ayambadde bbulu ng'anyumye Okoth yatunudde n'agamba mama ono omwana ate nga yalungiye luno ye ate nga mulungi nnyo. Anaye abantu balungi wendeezaala naye yenna eyazaala Resty wazaala omuntu era ddala Kemigisha alina emikisa. Kankutuuseko omukolo guno tova ku Delta TV tukole ompita Sharita mazima wanvu ndi waneno ku Sharitas by the World Malakai Ecology Jeri Njovu Estates Jeri ate ne Sharita School of Beauty Jeri atumira omukolo guno tovaawo mpagala nnyo.
Indeed, God is good. That's why we are here to witness the love between Ivan and Resty. Mutsima abazire abokorera abana aba kandi bakabasha kutusa abanakubonizo. Tubasima mwena ari mwaruga umushora n'ishonda okwisha kuba nabo namunonga kubashabira ubwo bari gutandika ubushere bwabo. For the increase of the human race, so that the union you have created may be kept safe by your assistance. Through Jesus precious Son, who lives and reigns with you in the Holy Spirit, one God forever and ever.
The first reading, a reading from the book of Genesis, chapter 22, verses 1 to 19. In those days, God tested Abraham and said to him, Abraham, and he said, Here I am. He said, Take your son, your only begotten son Isaac, whom you love, and go to the land of Moab, and offer him as a burnt offering upon one of the mountains which I shall tell you. So Abraham rose early in the morning and saddled his donkey and took 2 of his young men with him and his son Isaac. And he cut the wood for the burnt offering and arose and went to the place which God told him. On the 3rd day, Abraham lifted up his eyes and saw the place afar off. Then Abraham said to his young men, Stay here with the donkey. I and the lad will go yonder and worship, and come back to you. And they laid it on Isaac his son, and took his hand the fire and the knife. So they went both of them together. And Isaac said to his father Abraham, My father. He said, Here I am, my son. He said, Behold the fire and the wood, but where is the lamb for the burnt offering? Abraham said, God will provide one himself for the burnt offering, my son. Alleluia, alleluia.
kandi owatuletaha erizoba okutwija mumwana witu Resty mweno watuletaha ninjira muyayikirana ninjira mu Resty emberera tumaze tukuteera omumaro tukurize omuhanda wangabamu nobaza kwikorere nabenyuma obundi very good. So owatuleta more. This is the reason why we are here. It's because of her. This is not something you are going to say, I'm going to try. There is no trying. Then already, when the water is in the pipeline, it has no way. It has to go up to the end and exit. So you have to move up to the end. There is no break. There is no resting. It is every day. It is every time. It is every year. And this pillar of respect comes with how much do I value my spouse. Munyano wanje. Everything that has value is held with high esteem. And it is protected always. Everything that has value. You cannot just step on money. Can we? We cannot. Because it has value. Chino muhendo. No ndabiche chinde chino muhendo. Tokuchibatirira. Notekwa okuchikuma. Kugira muchigumeho. And the same applies to a spouse. Your spouse is someone of value. And therefore, you must protect, you must hold in high esteem. Yasamabi waranga patro mushoborozi wabyona yaruganisha kuchorwaje bwawe n'abafire ninchiza mu kwera egereza katolika y'ikirire okweterana muri kw'abayikirire okuzoka kw'embiri n'amagaragata rwaho amina.
abeteho kandi abaretera umusenje omugisha kwawe bw'umushobozi wanjona patre na mwana na mutima rukwera oshumugusha agaterekana kubarende hati n'ibiro byona misa yanje n'umusinga wa Kristo.
Wakatendaba anti ngasitobola kwebakaye obufaananyi n'enkuba nga negeza amawe ntambulayi n'omulungi gwemmanyi obulungi bwo ng'onyumidde mu kaddaali n'obuteefu bw'olina mu mutima gwo okuva eno mu musaayi obwo ninyeshongola buzima nimuhimbiza yebalale lugaba agatimani kanje horitine kinema we made it die. I can't believe it is over now. Yo-yo, yo-yo, it's over now. Yo-yo, yo-yo, it's over now. Yo-yo, oh no, yo-yo, it's over now. Yo-yo, yeah, omuruja tine kamoko kiwe na batine kwetenga nomukwako gukora namana ntanabe bitotetenge echorerenze mishopine ne chawe
kane bali kubera ngo oli mutulaba ku Delta TV tukole amanya gange bampita Sharita mazima wanvu eranga munange enviri ne makeup kolebwa ko Sharita's Bridal World Salon Section ate in Western Wear era Sharita's Bridal World yenyamba za kwegamba nsenna simanyi obondaba ndi musanyufu nnyo okubeera nga ate tulina omugole omwami ali so smart awerekeddwako abantu be nabo bali so smart kwegamba omukolo gwa kitiibwa twatandise n'emmisa ate kati tumaliriza okulya katugenda kweyongerayo tubeere nga tugulaba gwonna tewerabira bannaffe abanjovu estates be balina poloti bw'omaliriza omukolo gogenda gogula poloti ate Malakai Ecology eyo noyo ogendayo n'owummulirayo ate Sharita School of Beauty tukyagenda maaso n'okuwandiisa abaana abadde wamu n'aba boarding dino omugole omwami naye atugambye tubeere nga tukozesa luzungu kati no munsabire. Hello sir, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you?
You look so smart.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm excited, nervous, but excited.
But you don't look nervous.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm doing a good job at hiding it.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Ivan Okoth.
Okay.
Yes.
Kopango.
Kopep.
Is it the right one?
That's
From Acholi or
that's from
Langi?
Acholi. But for us, we say yoga.
Yoga.
Yes.
From Tororo?
Japadola, yes, Tororo.
Oh, Japadola. You're a
Yes.
Jap. I
Yes,
like
I am.
Japs.
Oh, thank
They
you.
have very good hats.
Oh, thank you. That's so true.
Yeah.
That's so true. But
So, where do you work?
I work at Ngariona Law Chambers
Okay.
in Mengo. Yes, I also work with Uganda Diabetes Association and also the Sonia Nabeta Foundation,
Oh my
where we help
God.
children with type 1
What
diabetes.
are you? Who are you?
I am Restituta's best friend. I hopefully will be her husband soon enough.
Can they deny you? Can they deny a hunk like you? So you are a lawyer and a doctor at the same time?
No,
I'm confused.
I'm a lawyer who has interest in health rights.
That's nice.
Yes.
How do you do it? How do you balance?
It's down to the passion because we've realized people who need help and there's nobody to stand up for them. And we are only here just to fill up the gap that has been left behind.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Where did you guys meet?
It's cool.
In which part of the world?
Here in Kampala, but it's cool. Then later on at work, and then actually at work, when I met at work the second time, I was like, okay, you know what, this is God sending me a message. I need to do something, otherwise I'm going to regret this for the rest of my life.
So you listened to God?
I listened to God.
And you made the move?
I had to.
Which words did you use?
People might copy them and use them against her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But all I did was just be open to her. Let her see the real me, let her see what my passions are. And of course, she liked how much everything that I was telling her meant to me. Yeah.
How long have you been together, or how long have you known each other?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
What have you known in her that has made you come here?
I don't think there's any girl more beautiful than her. I won't lie. I think we will see her. People will see her and they'll be like, wow. She's good fearing.
That's it.
I don't think I've met any person who prays as much as she does the church a lot. You know, it's difficult finding a Catholic girl who's beautiful, who's smart, and who loves God. So she had all the 3 qualities, and I had to do something for myself.
I can imagine.
Yeah.
What do you want to tell her today?
Resty, I'll always love you.
And will always love you. That's so nice.
Yeah.
Have you seen her today?
Yes, I did get a glimpse of her in church.
Did you talk to her?
She waved at me like Ngenda Kulava.
Sala pressure.
Actually called it, it was like Tuja. Yeah.
Best man, how are you, sir?
I'm good.
Why are you the best man?
Because I'm his best friend.
Yeah.
I have known him for over 10 years. Law school, the way they met, the way we met. Law is a small place. You get to know people. So I've been friends over 10 years. Him, and now through him I met Resty. Excellent people. That's why we're...
What do you want to tell your brother today? First shake his hand. You see who is more powerful. Pull each other.
He's
Ivan, congratulations.
Thank you.
Resty is a win. Keep her.
Thank you so much.
You married yourself?
He
I'm
is getting
scouting.
married. No, he's getting married.
He's getting married too. Okay. Thank you, my new land friends.
Thank you so
my
much.
new land doctor friends.
Thank you so much.
Kalesa, wish you the best.
Thank
Is
you
there
so
anybody
much.
you want to say thanks to?
Obviously, my parents, my brother. He's really been supportive because he's the first person I told, and he's always the one escorting me to, you know, family functions where Resty's family invites me. My friends, my team, Hamida, Grace, the people I work with, both at the law firm and at the alliance and the associations. And my friends who I've known for so long, Emma, Gloria, Benji. Yeah, there's so many I can't.
And to you, Resty, tell her.
Resty, Nzija, Nzija, I love you. My love for you will never wane. It's going to only grow stronger. Amen.
I can tell it is genuine. Banange, they love you, Resty. Kale ne munange taba ku Delta TV tukole tuja tugenda kunonya n'abazadde b'omugole omukyala n'omugole omwami n'omugole yennyini Resty, the beautiful one. Tovaawo nkwagala nnyo. Nze Sharita mazima wampu.
Sorry.
Ochala bw'okwanjula n'embaga.